So what is a restore point, and why should you create one on a regular basis with your Windows 10 PC? Well, a restore point is like going back in time for Windows. It creates a copy of the current state of your Windows environment. So let's say you get a Windows update that doesn't agree with your computer, it's glitchy or whatever. You could click on a restore point to go back in time to when your computer was working okay. The same thing goes if you installed a program and it played havoc with your computer or whatever. If you made some kind of mistake and you want to go backwards with your computer to take it to a state where it was working correctly, then having a regular restore point is essential for your Windows 10 computer. Now, to do this is very simple. You go to the search bar, that big little magnifying glass in the lower portion of your screen. Click on that. You type in create a restore point. You press enter. This box will come up, and you click on the box where it says create a restore point. You give it a little name. Then you hit create, and it creates the restore point for you very quickly and automatically and painlessly. Why not do it? It's a good extra layer of security for your Windows 10 computer. Now, if you ever want to restore your computer to what it was in the past, simply do the same thing again. Go in the search at the bottom of the screen. Click on create a restore point, then the same box will come up. Then you click on system restore. You follow the prompts and you click on the name of your restore point, the name you created before. Click next and it'll take your computer back to what it was before you started having the problem. Now you should do this monthly at least, so you have restore points to go back to if your computer starts behaving weirdly or whatever the problem might be. So it's one of those essential things. As a Windows 10 user, you want to really get in the habit of doing this to avoid problems, because the problems will come. So this way you can go back in time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.